The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Kum shibanta ke jengrakhe ke sengi persya uranium ne ke anti uranium de akaleng ko senam sniap basan jeng me it spiliti lengdo langren kidkhot jeng ke SU Southwest Khasi Hills haga step jeng arpu pratrik urisau arhajar arpusan kilami benwa ki poster bagi bana hakaleng ke district badayo mokorwat kum shibanta benken mau buram ya ke jengele klem pendam jeng me it spiliti lengdo langren ban persya ke jeng ti uranium Hadin ke jengwa bana ke KSU Southwest Khasi Hills ke lahir sa Krishnong domesiat banit bo senteu ho mod jengtep jemi it spiliti. Ban chupenken mau, imi it spiliti lengdok langren bam kuah hedwar ublei le yang persya ya ke jengti uranium haduk kesem shi hajar kendai spa prapo haduk kesni ke jengyap ha ke bakam shim lo pendam ya ke jengsyak berngem berset bat kentat ya ke pisah ke baga UCIL kala terwa HI.
Aku mangitip hi akan dikasih ke arfratrik risau kadai kalengku dap sedam kebasan jeng i mi spiliti lendok langren di balak latno ti akan dikasih kum kaseng ni rakhe ka kum ka anti world anti uranium day bat nakaliang ka ki isu Southwest Khasi District ila pulong ya kan dikajingte banar keleng sodong hapo kusno kurat om dulun barawa kaji mat kan mau ipat ba ya kikintian by imi spilti yong makaspa kam la banthit ka jingla lut jonga tak boleh syukur